Hello everyone, welcome to Sudarshan Kids. In this video, I am presenting 10 beautiful lines on the occasion of Mother's Day. Mother's Day is an annual celebration which is dedicated to our wonderful mothers. The second Sunday of the month of May is celebrated as Mother's Day. This day is a wonderful opportunity for us to express our love and respect for our mothers. She is the one who teaches us how to walk, how to speak, and how to eat. She is the first teacher of our life. She teaches us good manners and behavior to act well with everyone in the society. She takes care and loves us for her entire life selflessly. She works so hard for us. This day is dedicated to her sacrifice and great contribution towards family and society. Mother's Day is a great occasion to make our mom feel special by giving her lots of happiness on her special day. We should be thankful to our mother and promise her to never do such thing that may hurt her ever. Happy Mother's Day to all of you. If you like these lines, please share this video and subscribe my channel Sudarshan Kids for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching.